Accessorized pickup trucks have been a trend since last year for some brands. Chevrolet has done the same with its truck, named after a U.S. state, with the Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. The Trail Boss probably wants to be called the Boss with its accessories, which gives it a more off-road ready look. For starters, different parts of the truck are blacked out as well. Let's start with the front grille, the black Chevy bowtie badge, and the fender flares on the side. The 18-inch alloy wheels are similar to other variants but are completely blacked out. You also have a black sports bar on the bed and a decal over there. And sa harap, meron siyang disc brakes and drum brakes naman sa rear. At the back, you get this huge matte black Colorado decal over here, which is my favorite upgrade for this variant. Tapos makikita nyo na meron pa siyang 3D effect dito, which is very nice. And overall, the exterior looks very sporty, especially with the bright and eye-catching orange body color. Other standard equipment here on the Colorado Trail Boss are the multi-reflector halogen headlights in front, LED indicators on the side mirrors, and bulb-type taillights, which look very pickup truck-like with their upright design. Opening the slightly heavy tailgate reveals 1,329 liters of cargo space. Standard na rin dito ang bed liner, which will protect the bed kapag naglalagay ka ng gamit. Tapos payload capacity is at 1,000 kilograms. The towing capacity on the other hand is rated at 3,000 kilograms. Tapos dito, makikita nyo na meron na siyang abang for the camera and keyhole. Now inside the Colorado Trail Boss, it's more on the basic side. The color scheme is rather dull with black and gray. The dashboard looks quite nice and appropriate for a pickup truck. So are the materials, which are hard touch plastics. They feel very durable and the quality is also good. In the center is Chevy's 7-inch Myling touchscreen infotainment system. We've seen this before and the same pa rin, maganda pa rin yung graphics niya and very responsive yung screen. It also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, pero medyo hassle nga lang na yung USB ports are found dito sa loob ng center armrest. The climate controls are manual and are easy to use kasi malalaki din sila. And then here below, you have storage na maliit and another storage here. Itong isa, hindi ko alam kung para saan siya because hindi ko rin mapasok yung phone ko. Tumatama siya dito sa shifter. Tapos dito sa baba, I wish na they would make it a little deeper para mas maraming malagay. Tapos here, you have storage for the coins. Tapos dito, you have 2 cup holders, pero itong bottle ko, hindi siya gaano kasya. As for the seat comfort, the seats are quite comfortable, but it's a little bit firm lang. Tapos, the fabric, you can see, mukha siya namang high quality material. And makikita nyo rin yung interesting pattern dito because it looks Chinese. So over here at the back, the Colorado Trail Boss only features these seats. It has no pockets here, so hindi ko malalagay itong bigay ng Chevy. Tapos it only has this power outlet over here. Wala siyang USB port. Di ba sa panahon ngayon, ang uso is USB ports na. Tapos when it comes to legroom, okay naman siya, malapad naman, and sa headroom ko. Dito nga lang sa likod, it's not that comfy because alam naman natin na lahat ng pickups upright yung mga position ng mga seats, hindi mo siya mare-recline, kaya ganon. Tapos under the seat, meron din storage. And I'll show you. You just need to pull this and isasabit mo siya dito sa likod. And then, ito na yung storage sa loob. The Chevy Colorado Trail Boss is powered by a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine with 200 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Transmission is a 6-speed automatic and the power is sent to the rear wheels. Safety features on the Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss are dual front airbags, side impact door beams, ABS with EBD, a limited slip differential, and engine immobilizer. So let's see how it drives. start driving, ang una mong mapapansin is the rather loud engine. And lalo na kapag sa mga low speed acceleration, maririnig mo siya. But it's okay kasi once you step on the gas pedal, nag-accelerate naman siya agad and it's quite fast. So, okay yun. Sa performance, hindi naman siya surprising because yung numbers ng engine ng Trail Boss is similar to the Ranger Raptor, the king of its segment. Sa steering niya, it's nicely light but not too light. And ang good thing doon is, bumibigat siya once you get faster. So, maganda yung ganun. Yung ride comfort niya, it's good. Kita nyo, lalo na dito sa humps. It performs very well. Very comfortable. Tapos pagdating naman ng EDSA, medyo matagtag na nga lang kasi walang laman yung bed. Pero if may laman yun, I think less matagtag siya. Tapos pagdating naman sa smooth roads, okay din ang performance niya. And yung mga ganun, expected naman yun since it is a pickup. Road noise insulation is pretty good. Halos wala ka na maririnig even if umabot ka na ng 80. Napansin ko lang na yung suspension niya na nagsisqueak. Pero siguro hindi mapapansin to ng ibang tao kapag medyo malakas yung pag-play mo ng music. And very surprising din naman yun kasi 3,000 kilometers pa lang yung natakbo nito. Tapos yung sa hood naman niya, napansin ko rin na pag naka-idle, parang nagbabibrate siya konti. In addition to that, this has no parking sensors or reverse camera, so parking will be a bit more difficult. Even just one of those will be of great help. For the fuel economy, nakakuha ko ng 10 kilometers per liter sa city sa mix ng light and heavy traffic. For the highway, I got average mga 15 kilometers per liter, which is good as well. For 1,368,888 Philippine pesos, you get good-looking pickup truck, decent equipment, and commendable performance. That's the 2020 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss.